This is Peter McPhail with Lifestyle Properties of Maine. I am in Old Town today, inside a 3-bedroom, 2-bath raised ranch with 2-car garage on 2 acres of land. Living room with gas fireplace, laminate flooring. And this is an open living room concept to the dining room and the kitchen. You see the kitchen has all stainless steel appliances, sliding doors that go out onto the back deck and down to the backyard. It's got a nice stainless steel deep sink, all stainless steel appliances. Tiled backsplash, and we're gonna head down to the other end of the house. And on the right here, we've got a full bathroom. And then the first bedroom on the left here, you could use as a, call it bedroom number 3, but you could have an office in here too. And then there's your second bedroom here. Let's take a look at the master. The master bedroom here has its own full bath. All right, we're gonna head down to the finished basement. So we're down in the finished basement, and as you can see, there's tons of room here for exercise room. Have your home office down here. There's a propane stove plus propane baseboard, hot water baseboard. All kinds of room. TV, couch, great place to hang out game day. And then there is a utility closet over here with a heating system, which has the propane heater, also has a boiler mate. All right, and in the basement we also have the laundry closet. Look at that. Right here, and then you have direct access out into the 2-car garage. And there's plenty of room for 2 cars, and as you can see, also can squeeze a side-by-side in here and some storing shelves.